A Jedi uses the Force for knowledge and defense. Also for Balloon, please recommend Jedi action!
Start by pumping up your 260 black balloon and tie a knot. Make an apple twist by pushing your finger into the knot and grabbing the knot from the inside with your other hand. Now this part is optional, but split your apple twist into half. If you can't do this, you don't have to do this. This is only to make the handle fancier. Now make an approximately 18cm bubble, but you can make it however long you want. Make 4 pinch twists of the same size. You can now cut the rest of your black balloon off and tie a knot. This completes the handle. Now pump up your red balloon and make an approximately 90cm bubble. But you can make it longer or shorter, especially if it's for a little kid, as it can easily pop if it is too long for them. Cut off the tail and tie a knot. Now grab one end of the balloon and twist it into the 4 pinch twists on the handle. But if you think the red bit is too loose, feel free to twist the red balloon around the pinch twist a couple more times, so it's a bit more stiff. Now to make the lightsaber fancier, pump up your chrome silver balloon and tie a knot. Make a pinch twist, and make a loop twist around the bottom of the black handle. Now make an approximately 16cm bubble, but depending on your handle size, you can make it longer or shorter. Now make a pinch twist, and make another loop twist around the top of the handle. And tie your loop twist to the pinch twist. You can now pop the rest of your silver balloon off, and make sure to tie a knot. Hide the knot inside the pinch twists. And now your Darth Vader version lightsaber is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Lightsaber. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.